Let's get right to it. Becoming technical is something you can only do by working in the real world. You don't become technical at college or anywhere else. Technical acumen happens on the job. What does being technical in IT mean? In any field, there's a technical level of work that requires specialized knowledge and skill. The world of IT is no different. Within each specialization are technical niches. Being technical in IT means acquiring and applying specialized skills needed for your job. Why is this so difficult? Because becoming technical is layered. There's a base layer and then there are niche layers. Here's an example. I hire you as a machine learning engineer. It's your first day. I have a list of things for you to do on your first day. Install SQL Server on your laptop, install RDP, Office, Python, set up two-factor authentication, install Teams, and make sure Outlook works. If you worked in the real world for a year or so, you know exactly what to do. Many of those things I told you to do have nuances about them that are implied because you're technical. For example, I expect that you know how to install SSMS, the interface tool used in SQL Server. I expect that you install the right version. I expect that you only install the client, not the entire server. I expect you to understand the basic permissions and be logged into the server with those permissions. I expect you to understand the basic SSMS navigation. That's just some of the basic unspoken expectations I expect you to have. Being technical goes far beyond knowing the tools you need to do for your job. Being technical means you have a baseline knowledge of IT that you can only get by working in the space over time. One of the most basic expectations of becoming technical is the command of the OS you're using. Most companies use Windows. That means you're going to need to know Windows really well. For example, you download a .back file from SQL Server and you think it's an executable. A .back file is a backup file for a database in SQL Server. As a technical data professional, with SQL on your resume, I assume you know this and can download a .back file and restore it to your laptop locally. Becoming technical is way more involved than people think. Now, if you're new or you're a beginner, companies know this and are going to help you become technical. This is one of the reasons why there are no entry-level roles in machine learning or data engineering. You simply don't have a baseline of technical skills unless you've worked in IT in the real world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.